In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Microsoft Planner. If you're managing tasks in Planner, reminders are tied closely to your task details, especially the due date. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple setup you need so your task stays organized and time-sensitive information is clearly in place. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan where your tasks are stored. From your board, select the task you want to work with. Clicking the task will open its detail pane where you can make changes and add the information that helps keep that task on track. This is the main area you'll use whenever you want to update a task schedule or supporting details. Once the task is open, the next thing to do is set the due date. This is an important part of the process because due dates are what help Planner track deadlines and surface time-based task awareness. Look for the due date field in the task details, then choose the appropriate deadline for that task. Try to set a date that reflects when the work actually needs to be finished, rather than just an approximate target. That way, your planning stays realistic and more useful over time. After the due date is in place, add notes to the task. The notes section is helpful for including any context you may want to remember later, such as instructions, status details, next actions, or supporting information related to the deadline. Keeping notes directly inside the task can make it easier for you or your team to understand what needs to happen without having to search through chats or emails. Even a short note can be useful if it clarifies priority or explains what the reminder is for. As a quick tip, it's a good habit to review both the due date and notes before closing the task. This helps make sure the task is not only scheduled, but also documented clearly enough to be actionable when you come back to it later. And that's all it takes. To set reminders in Microsoft Planner, open the task, assign a due date, and add notes for context. With those details in place, your task is better prepared for follow-up and easier to manage as part of your overall plan. If you're updating several tasks at once, repeating the same process consistently can make your entire board much easier to track and maintain.